Remember when selling online meant fighting to stand out, spending hours tweaking photos, listings, keywords, just hoping someone would notice? Well, that fight's over. Because something big has changed in how people buy. 1 in 3 buyers is now searching specifically for personalized products. Not just cute mug, but mug with my name on it, necklace with my handwriting, art with my dog's face. And here's the awesome part. They're willing to pay up to 20% more for it. They don't want generic, they want to see a part of themselves in what they buy. But if you've ever tried offering personalization, you know it can be a headache. Constant messages, mockups, multiple tools, manual edits, mistakes. It's slow, it's stressful, and it pulls you away from actually creating. Imagine a system where your customer sees exactly what they're getting before they buy. Their name, photo, details, all previewed automatically. No back and forth, no wasted time, just higher trust, faster checkouts, and fewer returns. Because at the end of the day, you didn't start your store to compete. You started it to create. And now you can do that at scale without burning out. In this video, I'll show you exactly how it works, why it matters, and how to start selling one-of-a-kind products that scale like a brand and still feel handmade. So what's behind all this? A brand new way to do personalization. We call it the Personalization Hub. It's built to give your buyers the freedom to personalize anything and see it come to life before they even check out. Instantly, automatically, and yep, totally free. No third-party apps, no message ping pong, fewer errors, faster fulfillment, and a smooth, premium buying experience that happens right inside checkout. Let's break it down from 2 perspectives, yours as a shop owner and your customers. From the seller's side, you get custom fonts. Whether you created your own or sourced one, you get complete creative freedom over every personalized detail. Image uploads. Let buyers add photos or logos directly to your products. Perfect for gifts, branding, or team merch. When customers see their own image on your design, your product instantly feels more valuable. Multiple personalizable layers. Text, photo, name, number, all editable. That means every print area is automatically personalized. A kitten embroidered on the pocket with its name stitched on the sleeve? Sign me up. A local baseball team ordering shirts with their logo on the chest, name on the back, and number on the sleeve? Done, done, and done. All by them. Live preview for sellers. See how each print area looks in the product creator before it goes live, so your setup's perfect every time. Less manual work. Let buyers co-create and preview before purchase. Fewer messages, fewer mistakes, and no more manual mockups to approve. It's freedom and efficiency in one. Now flip perspectives. You're the buyer. You get to personalize before you buy. No waiting, no wondering, just instant confidence. You can add text, upload your own photos, and watch your design appear right in front of you during checkout. It's fun, interactive, and gives you that "I made this" feeling that makes personalization addictive. In short, it's co-creation, not configuration. Personalization Hub makes the entire journey smoother, faster, and more personal for both sides. More trust, higher conversions, happier buyers, and way less manual work for you. It's not just personalization, it's personalization that scales. All right, ready to see how it all comes together? Let's actually build it. We'll start with what you do as the seller, and I promise this part's easy. Just create a product like you normally would. I'll make those baseball shirts I mentioned earlier using the Next Level 3600 tee. In the product creator, add your personalizable layers. An image on the front for your buyer's logo, a text layer on the back for their name, and another on the sleeve for their number. For every personalizable element, name the layer clearly, as this is what your buyers will see when they customize. And for text layers, don't forget to set a character limit. That makes sure the design fits perfectly and avoids those too long name disasters. Once everything looks good, save your product, update your listing details, and in the personalization section, edit the instructions for your buyers. When you're ready, hit publish, and you're done. Now flip perspectives. You're the buyer, scrolling through products, and you find one you can personalize. You open it up, choose your color and size, upload your photo or logo, add your text, review your creation, and save. You've just co-created your own product instantly without ever knowing Printify was behind the magic. Pretty cool, right? Okay, back to seller mode. Here are a few important notes to keep things running smoothly. 1. Know your customer's experience. Try the buyer flow yourself so you can guide your customers through it confidently. If you want a separate video on how to communicate this, comment personalization perfection below. 2. New products only, for now. Personalization Hub is currently only available for newly created products. If you already have existing listings, you'll need to recreate them or keep the old personalization flow. We know that's not ideal, and we're actively working on a better solution. 3. Final equals final. Once your buyer confirms their design, they can't change it. Remind them to double check before they confirm. Finalized designs may go straight to production based on your approval settings for a faster, smoother process. Lastly, consistent look, different checkout. Personalization Hub looks the same for all buyers, but checkout steps will vary depending on the platform you sell on. All right, your product's ready to go. Now for the best part. Let's see what your buyer actually experiences, starting with Pop-Up. On your product page, your customer chooses their color and size, then clicks Personalize an order. They're taken to the Personalization Hub where they'll see all the parts of your design that can be customized, the layers you named earlier, along with any instructions that you added in your listing details. Here they can upload their image, add their text, and click Go to Summary to review their creation. If they want to tweak something, they can click the layer again or hit the back button. But a quick heads up, if they close the hub, their changes won't stick and they'll need to start over. Once everything looks perfect, they just click Add to Cart and check out, or keep shopping. And here's the best part. When you receive the order in your Printify account, it's automatically updated with your customer's personalized design and, based on your order approval settings, is sent straight to production or wait for your approval, all with you barely lifting a finger. How easy is that? Let's move on now to how your buyer on Etsy can personalize your product. When they land on your Etsy listing, they'll see the option to add personalization. In the drop-down instructions, there'll be a link they can copy and paste into a new browser tab to open the Personalization Hub. P.S. This link will be added to your personalization instructions by default when editing the listing details in Printify. Here's the only catch. Etsy's mobile app doesn't allow users to highlight text, so if they're shopping on their phone, they'll need to type the URL manually. And since clicking a link outside Etsy can sometimes feel uncertain, the page they land on will have the exact product they saw in your Etsy listing so it feels familiar and secure. If you set clear expectations up front that they'll have to personalize via a separate link, it'll give them more confidence in your product. Inside the Personalization Hub, they'll complete all the steps we covered earlier: uploading their image, adding their text, previewing their design. The last step is important. When they're finished, they'll go back to your Etsy listing page, select the same size and color they used in Hub, copy the code that appears at the end, and paste it into the personalization box on Etsy. Then they add to basket, checkout, and done. Personalized product ready to go. It's simple, but there are 2 things your buyer needs to know to keep everything running smoothly. First, variants have to match. Every personalized design is linked to the exact product variant, like size and color, they selected in the Personalization Hub. So if your buyer personalizes a black large shirt in Hub, but selects a black medium on Etsy, the code won't match. When that happens, the order gets flagged in Printify for review, and you'll need to confirm which variant they really wanted before sending it to production. Second, the code matters. This is what connects your buyer's design with the correct order in Printify. If they forget to include their personalization code, the order will still be imported into Printify, but with a review needed notification. You'll have to ask the buyer for their details on Etsy and personalize the design manually in Printify. The key takeaway: guide your buyers through these steps once and they'll get it instantly. The process is quick, visual, and already getting better with every update. We're constantly improving the Personalization Hub to make the experience seamless for both you and your customers. So drop your feedback in the comments and check back for the latest updates. Whether you sell via a major marketplace or purpose-built store, Printify offers you and your customers the same great personalization experience. And we're adding more platforms all the time. So let's recap, because this is big. Personalization Hub takes everything that used to slow you down and turns it into your unfair advantage. You can now give buyers the freedom to see and feel their personalized product before they buy, and you can do it automatically without all the manual work. Here's what's new and what it means for you: custom font uploads. Make every product look truly yours. Whether it's a brand font, handwritten style, or a custom design, you're in total creative control. Image uploads for buyers. They can add their own photos or logos right on the product. It's perfect for gifts, team merch, or branded apparel, and it instantly boosts how valuable your products feel. Live buyer previews. No more imagination required. Buyers see exactly what they're getting before checkout, which means higher trust, more conversions, and fewer returns. Multiple personalization layers: text, image, sleeve, pocket, all personalizable. It's flexibility for them and automation for you. Together, these features mean one thing: you can finally scale your store without losing the soul of what you create. Because the future of e-commerce isn't just faster, it's more personal. And if you're ready to take personalization even further, check out the next video where I'll show you how to create personalized embroidered products that your customers will fall in love with. See you there.